Hi everyone, Tarush here. Today I want to talk about doing more with fewer resources when it comes to your data and analytics strategy. See, the big problem is that over the last few years, we've built bloated data teams and accumulated expensive tooling, which don't do a whole lot. This means it's become very difficult for data teams to justify ROI, or simply business teams are just not getting enough value to justify these costs. Today, I want to talk about 3 strategies which we're going to use in the future to remedy this situation. Number 1, the rise of fully managed data platforms. Fully managed data platforms like 5x promise the flexibility of the right vendors for you, depending on your industry, use case, size, and budget, with the benefit of having an end-to-end platform. This means no more time wasted on vendor POCs, integration, or maintenance. Number 2, answering business questions on top of your semantic layer. How much money and time would you save if you didn't have to build out reports and dashboards? If anyone in the business could answer any question they wanted, by plugging an LLM on top of your semantic layer, we believe we can answer very nuanced questions in tools like Slack, which are very intuitive. Number 3, recommendations and insights. Data modeling is fundamentally broken. The fact that we need to know what business questions we're trying to answer upfront before designing a model is flawed. As soon as we build these models, we now have more information, which leads to asking better questions, which means that we need to update our data models. Hence, modeling teams are always playing catch up with the business, and we think this is a very unsustainable way of building. Data modeling techniques like activity schema promise that if we model our data into a single activity schema, we can now get nuanced insights and recommendations on top of your data without doing any additional work. We think that the above 3 recommendations are going to change the world when it comes to data teams. And we're going to see the rise of micro data teams, 1 to 5% data teams, which can take on entire workloads, can manage complex infrastructure, can answer business questions, and can provide deep recommendations and insights. If you're keen to try this out for yourself, head over to 5x and let us do an end-to-end POC on one of your use cases.